All right, guys. Well, there she is, starting to look real nice. We've got the T-Rex Fender eliminator installed. That thing is what we eliminated. Before I dive into this, I just want to say I do not understand the aesthetic. I don't understand the allure of this on the Katana. I mean, look at how good looking that thing is. Why would you have this? Anyway, you've seen Katanas before. If you're watching this, you know what I'm talking about with this plow thing that they had back here. Absolutely just kills the vibe of this bike. Anyway, getting back to it, this is a T-Rex tail tidy. Just a couple of quick tips on this. For one, guys, look, don't forget your blue Loctite for your bolts. Always good. Don't slather it on there. A very small amount's all you need. 5 foot-pounds is your torque number. If you've got a small torque wrench, it's 60 inch-pounds. So there's your conversion. Anyway, that's what it looks like installed. It's got the little spacers. I think it's a good looking unit. But a couple of things though, when you're installing it, run the wires on the left-hand side hole. Again, this is not going to be an install video, just kind of some tips and tricks. If you're watching this, you may have already seen the other install video. It's not that in-depth when it comes to wire routing. So run it on the left-hand side. It'll be a little bit tricky, a little bit of a fit to get in there, but you can do it. Now, when you get to this point, you've got a clip here and a clip right behind here that's going to hold the wiring to that shovel I was just showing you guys. Along needle nose pliers, you can pop those clips off pretty easily. There is, due to excellent editing here, joking, right? Anyway, there's a little loop that guides the stock wiring. You're going to push the wiring kind of back through that. Don't force it. Don't try to yank this stuff out. You'll rip the connectors off. That's not going to be a good time. And when you do reroute it, you're going to reroute them right along this line right here on the bike. The seat will be off. Again, don't try to force it. There's just enough room right here to get the wiring up, back, and around. You're going to route everything on the left-hand side. Super easy. Again, it's going to take a little bit of time, but nothing a few beverages can't coax you through. Okay, next on the agenda is to go with those Sato, however you say it, clip-on setup for this bike. It's not going to look anything like this at all. Instead of a regular handlebar, it's going to have a bracket that's going to hold some clip-on style handlebars. Really is how this motorcycle should have come from the factory. The jet ski-like viewing position of this bike is it's kind of off-putting. It's weird. If you're used to sport bikes, this is going to be a little bit of an unfamiliar territory, but with the right setup, you can make it a bit better. So that's what we're going to do. I'm a little bit on the fence with this wind guard thing. It's bolted to the factory fly screen. I may just go ahead and remove that. You guys post up in the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you like the taller screen, or should I just go back to stock? Still wondering about that, but looking forward to getting you guys some updates on those handlebars. We're going to be installing a G2 quick throttle along with that install, so that should be kind of fun, along with some ABS levers. The clutch lever on this bike is non-adjustable, and I would prefer to have some adjustability. Got some kind of bigger hands, and so when I cannot crab claw clutch. It feels weird. So anyway, go for the 2 fingers on mine, and I'd like a little bit longer out here. I need to have a little bit longer out there. It just kind of feels not enough. Anyway, those are the more immediate plans. As you can see, still has the bread box, still rocking the stock exhaust, and have not had a chance to ride this bike. And as you can see, 309 miles, it hasn't even had its first service yet. 291 miles, and the bike's 4 years old. Actually, its birthday is in October of 2019. There's a lot more 2019 in this bike than 2020, although it is a 2020. Go figure. Anyway, she's got some age, so it needs a service, needs an oil change. So that is going to be coming as well. Tires will be soon to follow after that. So oil is on the way. Factory oil filter socket is on the way. I do have a switch. Hold on, let me show you this neat little gadget. All right, so to reset that service light, you're gonna need this gizmo right here. This is the factory plug-in switch that you use to reset your maintenance intervals, your service light. This is how you reset all of that. If you don't have one of these, you're just gonna either run around with your service engine light on, or you're gonna have to take it to a dealership and they can knock that out for you. But since I do all of my own maintenance and a lot of my own work, this is cool because I can set my maintenance intervals to pretty much whatever I want. Neato. And there you have it, guys. There's your update on the brand new, but not brand new, 4-year-old brand new motorcycle. Anyway, post up your comments. Let me know what you're up to. We'll catch you on the next one. That's a wrap.